today I'm sharing my voice and stuff, yeah. Today I'm gonna play, let's see. I played all these with my friends, yeah. I guess I'll play, don't mind my avatar. Don't mind my avatar. Don't mind my avatar, chat. Today I'm gonna play Murderers and Sheriffs. Oh my god, I can't. Oh. 20. Let's go. Oh, I'm kind of rusty at this. Okay, kind of rusty at this game, bro. Yeah, I'll just chill my dash. Holy smokes! Oh, I might need to lock in now. Holy. Dude, I just might need to lock in. Somehow died that quick. Now I'm just starting. Don't mind the thing that popped up on top of my screen. That's just the news app or whatever it's called. Teammate, please lock in, teammate. Please. Yes! Let's go. Holy, no, I'm so cooked. Oh, I'm cooked. If y'all know this game, tell me. Oh. Tell me in chat if y'all know this game. So different route. Chat, different route. No, it's just my teammate left. No. Really bad. Oh, I might be cooked. I cannot let 1v1 go me too. These guys suck. Guys, I might do 2 more rounds, 1 more round. I don't know. I really want to do a long video. I want to do a really long one. Oh, what the flip? How? Holy guacamole. Oh my god, I'm so buns. Chat, I'm so buns. I need my teammate, bro. What? No, I'm so mad at me. Why did my teammate have to leave, bro? Of course I lost. I'm really gonna go for that long, guys. So today's video won't be that long. Prep? Peppermint? What's up? Hey. What the flip? Dang it. Now I'm on sale. Let's go. Oh, I might be cooked. Cook chat. I might My default chat. Searching with the code and judging with the code. I might actually be cooked. Level 1.4. Ooh. Okay, get ridge. Okay, good. That's good. That's really good. I can't get up. Guys, I'm gonna lock in this time, okay? Holy. That was an instant. Holy, get up. Dead. I'm dead. Dude. I'm having really fun. I haven't played this in a while. Chat, I haven't played this in a while. Oh, flip. Try and get that. I'm trying to sneak. Oh, you're behind me. I'm supposed to focus with someone in front of me and behind me. Wait, watch. I'll go this way. I'll go this way. I'll go this way. How did I shoot him? Of course, my teammate left again, bro. My teammates always leave. That's the time I mess up. I instantly die. Hey, dude, my teammates always leave me. Now you get bad teammates. Not sure. Okay. See what I get. See what I get. See what I get. Guys, I'm gonna do one more round, by the way. I'm ending stream. No, I'm ending with the vid. No. I'm ending video. I'm gonna be ending the video after one more match. What's my thing? I'm gonna keep both ones I have on right now. For the last one, I'm gonna do 1v1. You know, really buns. Hello, anyone that don't love you love me? Oh, you do. Oh, no, you don't. Yeah, I guess I do. Dude. I just had to load into a 1v1. Oh, never mind. Okay, good. I guess I'll do prototype, yeah. Last match. Then I am ending the video. I really want this one. That's 5,000. Pretty sure. I only got 3. Holy miss. 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 Holy. My aim is absolute. Huh? Buddy, I shot you. Or is it me or is it my aim sucks? Cause I think my aim sucks. Trying to be sneaky. Buddy, you ain't gonna be sneaky today. You ain't being sneaky today. Holy aim, dude. Holy, my aim, bro. My aim. My aim's trash today. My aim's sometimes really pretty good. Not always good. lock in. 2-2. Both have 3. Of course I die. I stabbed her somehow. I didn't. Let's go. 2-3. Holy. I need to lock it now. We both have 3 tied. 3-3. Please lock in, bro. I need to lock in. Oh my god. I knew she was hiding behind that. She was such a scaredy cat and hiding behind the pillar. This way. It's over there. I need to lock in this round. If she gets me one more time, I'm dead. I lost. If she gets me one more time, I lost. Charizard. I want her to come to me. Yes! Let's go. How much do I have now? 4,000. Okay, guys, that was it. I'm gonna be peace. Y'all have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Bye.